Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML image maps. It's part of the advanced level on the HTML element. Quickly, let's get started. Right now, we are talking about how to create image map itself. Then, add a map element. The map element itself. The map element is used to create an image map. To create what? To create an image map, you have to use the map element and is linked to the image by using the required name attribute. I want you to understand very well. That is, when you are using the map element, you are going to use the name attribute. The name attribute is going to have the value. The value you are going to give it is going to be the same name. It's going to be the same value you are using on your image map use map attribute. I'm going to show you how it works now. Quickly, let me give you an example. The name attribute must have the same value as the image. Like in the image tag, we specify the use map attribute, and inside the use map attribute we have value. So the value inside the use map value is going to be the same as the map name value. So quickly, let me show you how it works. That is, the name here, this is our map inside our tag here now. So the name inside our map here is going to be the same as this inside our image tag here, img tag here. I mean, the use map that we are having inside our image tag, the use map attribute is going to have a name, a value that starts with hashtag. But when you notice very well, we don't copy the hashtag when we are using it in the map element. The map element is going to have just ordinary the name without the hashtag. The name from the word, from the image without the hashtag. We are going to copy it and put it inside what? Inside our name. You can see this is our name. This is our name. It's going to be empty like this from the start. Then you can to put this same name here you are having here. You are going to copy it from here and place it here so it can be able to work. Let's firstly remove it so you can see what's going on here. Let's reload our document. This is how our document looks before. Firstly, let me bring it back. Let me bring it back to see that it works perfectly. Let's reload it. Can you see it direct us? This one, phone, it directs us. When we click the copy, also it directs us. When we click the empty page, nothing directs us to anywhere. But when we click the laptop, it directs us, right? So let's go back to our map. When you mistakenly change this name, let's say you remove P from the work map and save it like this, it will never work again. Let's reload our document. Can you see when we click on it, it never works? It don't take us to another place. When you click this, when you click that, nothing take us to anywhere again. But let's use another one. Good. Let's use another one, another name. It will not take us to anywhere, and save it. Let's reload it. Can you see it doesn't take us to anywhere? So but when we use what, the name here without the hashtag, we will not use the hashtag. We will copy the name here and use it here. Save it and reload your document. Now you will see it will direct us. Can you see when we click the laptop, when we click the phone, when we click the coffee? This is what I'm trying to explain to you. So you have to understand that whenever you are specifying your opening map tag, you are going to have what? You are going to have the name attribute. After the name attribute, you are going to have the value on the name. So without this, it can never work. So that's how it goes. So the map tag is having the opening and closing tag. Inside it, we are having the area tags. So I'm going to discuss about the area tags also in the future tutorial. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.